Bitcoin has hit the impressive price of $39,000, a level we haven't seen since mid-2022. And what's driving this surge? Well, it's all thanks to the latest comments from the United States Federal Reserve's chair, Jerome Powell. In a recent appearance at Spelman College in Atlanta, Georgia, Powell expressed a cautious tone but suggested that it would be premature to conclude that policy easing is off the table. He emphasized the Fed's commitment to bringing inflation down to 2% and stated that they would maintain a restrictive policy until they are confident in achieving that objective. While this doesn't necessarily mean a change in policy is imminent, it did boost risk asset sentiment and got investors excited about the future. Now, it's important to note that not everyone is convinced of an impending policy shift. The Kobesi letter, a financial commentary resource, believes that the Fed would rather risk a mild recession than a resurgence of inflation. Hence, they think a long pause is more likely. But regardless of differing opinions, Bitcoin wasted no time capitalizing on the positive mood in the market. Interestingly, Bitcoin's reaction to the latest US macro data prints earlier in the week was relatively flat. It seemed to be saving all its energy for Powell's remarks. Now we're eagerly awaiting the next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, which is scheduled for mid-December. That's when any changes to interest rates will be announced. According to CME Group's FedWatch tool, market expectations currently favor a pause in rate hikes. Looking at Bitcoin's price targets, the sell-side liquidity involved in the climb to $39,000. Meanwhile, there is significant resistance levels at $39,000, while strong buyer support was observed at $38,000. Based on these indicators, we believe that today could be the day we finally see a daily close above $38,000, signaling a strong bullish move. And we predict that Bitcoin could surge even further, potentially reaching at least $39,200. That's it for today's update. Keep an eye on Bitcoin's price movements, upcoming Fed announcements, and the overall market sentiment. As always, stay tuned for more exciting news and analysis in the world of cryptocurrencies. Happy trading!